Hello, and welcome to mowix.com tutorial videos. If you are thinking on creating a new YouTube channel or make money with YouTube, then I suggest you watch this video before you start doing so, because in this video, I will share with you the best alternative to YouTube monetization, and that is Rumble. We will discuss what is Rumble, how to make money with it, and how to create an account, plus tips on creating a channel with Rumble. If this sounds good to you, keep watching. So, what the heck is Rumble? In a few words, Rumble is a new video hosting platform like YouTube, but a little bit different, and sounds great for beginners on video publishing industry because your videos can be monetized instantly without the minimum 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours as per YouTube required to each content creator or channel in their platform. As per Wikipedia, Rumble is an online video platform headquartered in Longboat Key, Florida. It was founded in 2013 by Chris Pavlovsky, a technology entrepreneur from Canada. The site is popular among American right-leaning users. As of 2022, according to analytics firm SimilarWeb, Rumble receives 44 million monthly visitors. In Rumble, you can simply upload your videos, select the right licensing option based on your own reference, and get monetized instantly in day one. Amazing, right? So for those new on video publishing industry, I guess Rumble is great for faster monetization aspect of your goal. But when it comes to marketing yourself, it might not be the platform for you. We will discuss more details about what I mean further. So stay tuned for my next upload on how to make money with Rumble video series. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want more videos like this, I suggest you subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.